Good morning. I'm here to walk you through my revisions to project number 3. There's a lot of content here to go through, so bear with me. I have a lot of slides to pull up and toggle through, and hopefully I can not make this too long because there are a lot of things to address. The main points here on the rubric are about having a concise audience. On my original, there I don't pull it in. I don't, other than just saying UNM, I'm not directing it to anybody in particular. My revised version, I made sure to address the UNM Board of Regents here and talk about the UNM policy and helping out the students. Then we also have, you were talking about a lot about the detail, which then goes into having appropriate citations throughout the no citation, no caption. I need more citations in certain places. So in here, the graphics don't have appropriate captions, and there's a lack of citations in certain places. So same here, no caption, no citation. On my revised version, I made sure to come in and add the captions to all my graphics, and the highlighted ones for the I highlighted for the walkthrough with citations I've added, especially for this paragraph that didn't have any. I went back through and added a lot. I think a lot of it came from my head, and then I had to go find the sources for it. Same here, add the caption, extra citations, caption, and then I also switched out every graph has a figure, and then it's where it's linked up in the text itself. Let's go back to the rubric. So same with the current situation, including citations, and then I guess the other big one was the clear conclusion. In my original proposal, it was a little short, other than just saying, hey, make concealed carry allowable on UNM campuses. In the revision, I came back through, I pleaded more for the case of, this is what you need to do to allow concealed carry on campus, but also means of helping out. Why not provide self-defense classes to students? I mean, the city of Albuquerque even has a free 9-week course. Maybe they can work with them for that, or find a room and people to help, and then going about just working with legislature to switch the laws and how they can help. The next point is my slow reflections. This is from the discussion board. I pulled it off of here so we can just see them all together. These are my originals. I came back to, and I put it on the very last page of the revision so you can see it and don't have to open up more pages. I added the content. I listened to your comments. I addressed what the slow was about and then how it helped me in my creating of the proposal itself. So that's there on the very last page of the revision. And then the last point here was about my presentation. Let's see, I have my original up and so this is the final, and the comments were about how it was too text heavy. So this is the original, very text heavy, and as you can see, I've reduced a lot. Same with the next page, the next slide. A huge reduction from this, and I did that with each slide as I went through the presentation to not overwhelm the readers and the audience. So I think I've covered all of your comments here, and I will put the revision on the Google Sites for you to see. The final of the presentation is linked there. I will also post a link to the draft, and then for the slow reflections, like I said, I just added a page at the end of the proposal so you can just see what I've done to change those. All right, thank you for your time, and thank you for helping guide me through technical writing this semester.